Outstanding design defines the 2015 Jeep Compass. It features a standard transmission, front-wheel drive, and a 2-liter 4-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, a rear window wiper, a tachometer, a roof rack, and more. Enjoy your favorite music via the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability and 4 well-positioned speakers. Jeep ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, ignition disabling, and ABS brakes. Various mechanical systems are monitored by electronic stability control, keeping you on your intended path. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, indicating just one previous owner. Our sales staff will help you find the vehicle that you've been searching for. Stop in and take a test drive.